Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is a very quick hairstyle tutorial. I'm going to show you how I achieve this Coboko twist hairstyle. I have a similar hairstyle tutorial on my channel where I use the push-up method to do that one. If you've not yet seen that video, check it out. I'll leave the link up there. After watching this video, feel free to check it out, okay? So I get a lot of comments on that video. You guys telling me that you find it difficult to push it up after twisting it. This is another technique of achieving the same hairstyle, but I'm going to use another method to do it, okay? This Coboko hairstyle is mainly done with Brazilian wool. As you can see, it's mainly done with Brazilian wool in different colors, but for the sake of this tutorial, I want to make it simple and easy for every visual learner, okay? So I'm going to use this braiding hair extension in this color. You can see I'm using this color so that it will be very clear and visible for everyone to get what I'm doing. So now to the tutorial. You part the hair that you are going to be twisting, okay, this amount. Then I'll take the braiding hair or Brazilian wool, anyone you are using. Then I'll make sure it is not of the same length. Make one side longer than the other, okay, as you can see. This is the first one and this is the second one long, you can see. Okay, one longer than the other. I'll first of all braid it about 3 times to grab the roots very well. Okay, after braiding, you can see I have 3 sections here, including the main hair. So I'll add this main hair to the short one, okay? Add it together like this. Now I have 2 parts here, you can see it. So I will take a little bit out of the longest hair. Just take a little bit. If you are using a Brazilian wool, just take 2 strands of the Brazilian wool like this out of the long parts. Then I'll start wrapping it upward. Wrapping it upward to cover the braiding parts. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Wrap it upward to cover the braiding part to make it look natural and look like dread. You can see I've gotten to the top, so I'm going to wrap it downward again. I'm coming downward, wrap it downward until I get to where I stopped braiding. You can see. So now I'm going to add it to the shorter part where the main hair is. I'm going to add it to this one, okay? The one I used to wrap, I'm going to add it to this part, okay? As you can see. Okay, so now I'll start twisting. So now I'll use this long one. I'm using this long one to twist around this, okay? So you make sure you twist it very well so that it will be tight. You can see. So I'll be twisting with the longest hair, okay? I'll twist around and place it directly to the next twist. Hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm using only the long one, okay? Twist it tightly, then I'll wrap it around. Twist it tightly, wrap it around. Twist it tightly, wrap it around. Twist it tightly, wrap it around. Very simple to do and very beautiful. If this method is difficult for you, check out my other method. I'll leave the link in the description area, the push-up method. You will get a similar outcome, okay? It also looks like this, but done in different ways, okay? So you can see what I'm doing. Very simple and neat. So you twist it downward depending on the length that you want to achieve. depending on where your hair stops, okay, you make sure you twist to cover your main hair. Just as I'm doing, twist, twist, twist until you get to your desired length. You can make it short, you can make it long, depending on what you are looking for. Then, when you achieve your length, you take a little bit and tie a knot to secure it. That's it, very simple. Another knot to make sure it is well secured. Okay, so here is it. This is the Coboko hairstyle. You can see you can twist it as long as you want it. This is just a tutorial to show you guys, so I have to stop here. Okay, after braiding to your desired length, then you cut off the excess and burn it with a lighter. Okay, just burn it to secure it. Cut off the, whether it's long or short, you have to cut off the excess. And whether you are using a wool or braiding hair, cut off the excess, then you burn the ends to secure it more. The burning depends, okay? You may decide to leave it like that. Just make sure you tie to secure it very well, okay? There's another method you can use to achieve this hairstyle, as I said earlier. Check out the link in my description area. That's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching to this point. Feel free to share this out. It may help someone out there because I get a lot of comments on this hairstyle, okay? So I just quickly came here to show you guys how to achieve this Coboko hairstyle. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed. Bye.